Hello, welcome to day 2 of our challenge. I am Angela. Today we're going to review quickly what we learned on day 1. We're going to learn some fruits and we're going to learn how much and how we can use that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and share so others can find this video. Hello, welcome back. I'm happy to see you. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Angela. Welcome. How are you? How are you? I am happy. I am happy to see you. Let's get started. Do you remember our verb to be? We have I am, you are, she is, he is, it is, we are, they are. Do you remember those? I am, you are, she is, he is, it is, we are, they are. We're going to keep using the verb to be. And today, let's learn some fruit. Do you know the names of fruit? Let's learn. Our first one, apple. 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 Excellent. Apple. 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 Excellent. Very good. Apple. Our next fruit is banana. 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 Excellent. Banana. 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 Excellent. Very good. Banana. Our next one is strawberry. 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 Very good. Strawberry. Excellent. What fruits do we have? Apple, banana, strawberry. Excellent. And our last fruit is cherry. 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 Excellent. Very good. Do you remember them? Apple, banana, strawberry, and cherry. Good job. We got it. Let's practice them. Which one's this one? Banana. Very good. Excellent. How about this one? Strawberry. Very good. Strawberry. Strawberry. Very good. Excellent. How about this one? Apple. Apple. Excellent. Apple. And this one? Cherry. Cherry. Good job. Very good. Here we have them. Apple, banana, strawberry, and cherry. Apple, banana, strawberry, cherry. Apple, banana, strawberry, cherry. Do we have them? Very good. Let's use them. We're going to add how much. How much? How much? How much? Let's add how much with our verb to be. Yeah? So here we have how much is. How much is. A question. How much is. Let's practice. How. Excellent. Very good. How much is. Very good. How do we finish the sentence? How much is the apple? Very good. How much is the apple? Let's practice. How apple. Yeah, a little slower. How much is the apple? How much is the apple? Very good. Practice. Apple. Excellent. Very good. How about this one? How much is banana? How much is banana? We need the banana. How much is the banana? How much is the banana? Very good. Very good. Let's practice. How banana. Banana. You got it. Very good. Our next question. Do you remember? What's this? Strawberry. Yeah. So how much is the strawberry? Yeah, we need the. How much is the strawberry? Let's hear you. Very good. Excellent. Very good. And our last one, what's that fruit? Cherry. Excellent. So how much is the cherry? Very good. How much is the cherry? 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 So all of them, how much is the apple? How much is the banana? How much is the strawberry? How much is the cherry? Excellent. Doesn't matter what. So we use is when there's one. One cherry is the cherry. One apple is the apple. But if there's two apples, yeah, how about that? We have how much is the apple? One apple. What about three apples? Then we use are. We use are if there's more than one. So for example, one apple or two apples. Two apples. One banana or two bananas. Two bananas. One strawberry. Two strawberries. Two strawberries. One strawberry. Two strawberries. One cherry. Two cherries. Okay, so one apple, two apples. One banana, two bananas. One strawberry, two strawberries. One cherry, two cherries. So let's put them together. How much are the, is there one apple or apples? Apples. Very good. So we say, how much are the apples? Yeah, no is because there's four apples. Yeah, so how much are the apples? How much are the apples? How much are the apples? Let's hear you. How? Excellent. Very good. How? Apples. Very good. Excellent. Look, one banana? No, right? So we say, how much are the bananas? Very good. How much are the bananas? How? Excellent. How? Very good. Excellent. Our next fruit. How much are the strawberries? Yeah, strawberries. How much are the strawberries? How much are the strawberries? Let's practice. How strawberries. Very good. Very good. How much are strawberries? How much are the strawberries? Excellent. Very good. And our last one, we can't forget these. How much are the cherries? Excellent. How much are the cherries? Let's practice. How much are the cherries? How excellent. How very good. Good job. Now let's see. Are or is? How much? One strawberry? No, right? So we say how much? Are or is? Then we need the. And is it strawberry or strawberries? What do you say? You got it. How much are the strawberries? How much are the strawberries? How strawberries. Very good. Excellent. Let's see our next one. One apple or many? Just one. So are or is? You got it. The, and is it apple or apples? You are right. How much is the apple? One apple. How much is the apple? How excellent. How very good. Let's try another one. How about this one? How much? Is there one or more than one? Are or is? The, and what do you think? Banana or bananas? You got it. How much are the bananas? Very good. How much are the bananas? How much are the bananas? How bananas. Excellent. Very good. One more. Do you remember this one? Yeah. Is it one or many? Are or is? The and cherry. One cherry or cherries? Which one do we pick? You got it. How much are the cherries? Very good. How much are the cherries? How much cherries? Excellent. Cherries. How? Excellent. Good job, everyone. So what have we learned today? We learned how much plus our verb to be. How much is? How much are? Remember, how much is when there's one. How much is the apple? Yeah, when there's more than one, how much are the apples? How much are the apples? And we learned some fruit today. We learned one apple or two apples. One banana, two bananas, one strawberry, two strawberries, one cherry, and two cherries. Very good. Good job, everyone, today. Practice, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.